everyone, welcome to Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Kitchen. My name is Sonya Paz and I am your spice master here on this channel. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome and get ready to indulge in some amazing sweet and spicy flavors. So today I am going to show you my recipe for fabulous guacamole. It's sweet, it's spicy, it's tart, and it's altogether super yummy. But before we get started, go ahead and click down below to subscribe. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that you can get notified of when I have new videos. And of course, commenting and letting me know what you think of my recipe, and if you've tried it, how your guess and how you thought it turned out. Would love to know that as well. So here we are in my kitchen and I welcome you here. So I've got all the fixins for the guacamole that I make that everybody loves. It's just a few key ingredients, but it's the way that I prep it, including the use of my potato masher. That's how I make my guacamole, and I'm going to show you how I do that. Add all my awesome flavors to get this recipe so that your guests and yourself will be blown away. So all of the ingredients that I'm using is very easy, very basic, but it's the way that you prepare them that will give your guacamole that extra punch. So I have, obviously I have my avocados, and I have about a quarter cup of fresh chopped white onion. I have about 2 tablespoons of Sonya Sweet and Spicy sweet candied pickle jalapenos chopped up super fine. And I have about, I don't know, a quarter cup maybe of cilantro. You don't have to use that much cilantro. Cilantro is definitely one of those things that either you like it or you don't. So you can add as much or as less that you like. So I'm gonna just go ahead and start pushing things around here because I am going to show you how I'm gonna prep my avocados. So cutting the avocado, super duper easy. And what I do is I make sure, first of all, that I wash my produce before I do anything. That's a big must-have. I usually just take my knife, score the top of it like this, work my way around, twist it, voila. So easy. Take my knife, hit that avocado pit, and it just comes right out. So I have about 4 avocados. I'm gonna do one more. I'm gonna have a total of 5 avocados. And you'll know that your avocados are ripe because they're gonna be firm, but just a little bit tender to the touch. So you can almost see that when you push your finger in that you see an impression. If it's too mushy, your finger will go way through. That's not good. Now the easiest way to get these out of the skin is just take your spoon and you're going to scrape that all out, and look how clean. That gets this completely clean and takes a matter of no time to start just getting all of your avocados scooped out and ready for your guacamole. All right, so as you can see, I have all of my avocados here and I have my potato masher. Now I know a lot of people like to mash these up with a fork, but I find that this gives me still enough chunks, and it is the way that I do it because I don't like everything so too creamy. I like to have some chunks in there so that when you dip your chips in there, it's satisfying. It is something that you know you're going to get a nice clump of avocado on your chip, and it is good. Trusty potato masher. If you don't have one, I will put a link down in the description below so that you can check it out. Now I'm going to go ahead. I am going to add in my white onion. Super easy. I'm going to add in my Sonya Sweet and Spicy that's been chopped up. This is the key ingredient, everyone. A lot of people add in all of their raw jalapenos in there, but this is a nice treat because it's unexpected. You get a nice little sweetness to it that's not going to be bitter. It's going to be really super flavorful. And then I'm going to just add a little bit at first of my cilantro, maybe just a little bit more. And then I can always top this off at the end with that as well. So I'm going to mix this all together. And of course, I've got my fresh lime, and I'm just going to go ahead and put about half of a lime in there. And the lime's going to give it a super nice citrusy, smoky, kind of nutty flavor. And then I'm going to add in just a little bit of my lemon, because lemon is, oops, you don't want pits in there. The lemon is actually good because it's going to keep it from getting brown, and it just makes this really a nice accompaniment to if you're going to be having margaritas or maybe an IPA or Corona or something. The good Corona, the beer Corona, not the virus Corona. Make that perfectly clear right now. So we are done. Oh, going to add a little bit of salt. Going to add a little bit of pepper. And that's it. I'm going to just mix this up. You can add as much salt to taste. And look at that. You can see where there's still some really awesome chunks in there. So I'm going to go ahead. We're going to give this a try and see how this goes. Hey, another successful recipe on the mark here today on Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Kitchen. I'm going to go ahead and give this a try because I know it's going to be great because this is my favorite recipe. Let's try this out. Perfect. The jalapenos in there, if you usually get guacamole, you usually get super fine raw jalapenos, which are fine, but this is going to take your guacamole to the next level. It is sweet. I mean, it's amazing. You've got the beautiful flavors of the avocado and your citrus in your lime and your lemon, and the color is so beautiful, and it's just so appealing, and it's completely satisfying. Oh, I cannot get enough of this. The good thing is that people don't expect that nice little sweetness of the jalapeno in there, and it's not so hot that it really takes away from the flavors of the avocado and everything, but it is definitely something for you all to feast on here come the summer months. Avocados are in season. Don't go out and buy. People, telling you, this is so easy. Don't go out and buy the stuff in the deli section at the store. It's not the same. Make this, smash it up, use your potato masher, just a few different ingredients here. I'm going to have all of those listed down below in the description. This is something that you can certainly do for pennies. It's not going to cost a lot. Avocados, being in season, are definitely going to ripen up and be the star of your next appetizer or little nosh for the summer days ahead. And of course, here at Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Kitchen, we are always chopping and slicing, dicing and cooking, roasting and toasting. Please be sure to check out me on Facebook at Sonya Sweet Spicy and Instagram, Sonya Sweet Spicy, and we are also on Twitter and on TikTok. So that is pretty much it. You can buy Sonya Sweet and Spicy jalapenos at sonyasweetspicy.com. And of course, I'm going to get to this right now, so I'm going to call it a day and hope to see you next week. And check out my other videos where you can find some flavorful combinations using a lot of love and a little bit of Sonya Sweet and Spicy, and it will make your day. That's it, everyone. Take care. Have yourself a great rest of the day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.